Hey y'all, welcome to Rush Chicken Acres. So today we're gonna be making chocolate chip cookies. Yay! And this is the best chocolate chip cookie recipe that we've ever made. So, let's get started.
Okay.
First, you have to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so now we just have to get all of our ingredients and stuff out. So, 3, 2, 1. So we have all the ingredients out, including this bowl, which is not an ingredient. Anyway, so the first thing we'll be doing is using 8 tablespoons of butter. The butter we're using is Kerrygold Pure Irish butter. You can use either salted or unsalted. It doesn't really matter which one you use. We'll be using half a cup of cane sugar and half a cup of packed brown sugar. I don't usually pack it. So now that the butter is cool, I'm going to pour it on top of the sugar. Next step, we'll be adding 1 egg. Now you add 1 1/3 cup of flour, then mix. Oh, and then you also have to add the half cup of chocolate chips and a little extra. This is what it should look like when you're mixing. Don't worry if it looks like it's too much flour, because I always think that too. You can always use your hand for whatever's easier. When you don't see any more flour, that's when you should stop mixing. And right here, I don't see any more flour, so it should be good. We forgot to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So after the egg, so it's fine if we add it now. I hope. It's okay, it'll be fine. I can't! It's all. And if you forget it like us, then you have to use your hands and squish it all together so it all mixes in evenly. Here we have our baking pan aligned with parchment paper, and we're going to be using a medium scooper to scoop out all the cookie dough. If you're done with this, then you should be rolling the balls together, so like with your fingers or hands. And now we're gonna place it into the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. While we're waiting, we're gonna clean up. 3, 2, 1. Now it's clean.
Magic.
Those cookies look so good. Before you eat it, you have to wait 10 to 15 minutes for it to cool off, and then you have the perfect cookie. So, yeah, now we can take it. Just pick one. Okay. Not good. I burned my. So guys, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And keep planting, stay healthy, and God bless.